Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I uploaded this video and I got a lot of questions from friends asking how I achieved this. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is download this app called CapCut. If you don't already have it, then you have to record two videos. Record two separate videos like this and this, pretending like you're doing something relating to the other video. You want to make sure you're recording the videos side by side each other on opposite end of each video. Now, you import both videos inside of CapCut. Trim it to the part in which you want to use. Do that for the first video and do that for the second video, making sure they are of both lengths. Now, you have two videos side by side each other in CapCut. You want to click the video at the far end, click on overlay, then you have the video drop down. Drag the video to the beginning of the first video. Now click marks, then split. You should see a horizontal line. Adjust the line until it becomes a vertical line and you can see both videos. Adjust the tiny arrow you see on the video until there is a blend. Click save and export this video onto your phone and you should see a video like this. Bye!